The Makita 191X84-4 Makpac case is a durable, stackable organizer case designed for storing tools and accessories. Compatible with the Makita Makpac connector system and equipped with a name card holder, it offers efficient organization. However, it's not compatible with standard Makpac inserts and may have a higher price point. Overall, it's a versatile and durable storage solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Makita Rechargeable Wall Scanner DWD181 is a cordless tool that detects metal, wood, plastic, and electrical wire up to 7 inches deep. It offers 4 scanning modes for different materials and features a built-in laser guide for precise alignment. The large display shows depth and object type, and it's powered by an 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery. While accurate and versatile, it may be a bit pricey and has a relatively short battery life. The Makita 40V Max XGT Demolition Hammer is a powerful cordless tool delivering 20% faster braking than its corded equivalent. With a 40V Max XGT motor, it reaches up to 1,600 impacts per minute and has a variable speed trigger for control. The ergonomic design and soft grip handle reduces vibration and fatigue. It accepts a wide range of demolition bits with its SDS Max chuck, and is compatible with the Makita Auto Start wireless system for dust extraction. The Makita Cordless Multicutter CP100D is a versatile tool powered by a 12-volt CXT lithium-ion battery. It has a 6 mm cutting capacity and can cut through various materials. The automatic self-sharpening blade system keeps the blade sharp, and the LED job light illuminates the work area. Its ergonomic soft grip handle reduces vibration and fatigue. While it may be a bit pricey with a relatively short battery life compared to some other models, it's an excellent choice for light-duty cutting tasks. The Makita Cordless 8-foot concrete vibrator is a powerful tool that operates on an 18-volt LXT lithium-ion battery with a 12,500 VPM vibration rate to consolidate the concrete. Its 8-foot shaft reaches deep into concrete forms, and the dual-directional switch allows for horizontal or vertical use. While it may be a bit pricey with a relatively short battery life, it's an ideal choice for contractors and DIYers needing a cordless concrete vibrator for various finishing applications. The Makita DBO381 18-volt LXT finishing sander is a powerful cordless tool with 3-stage speed control and a 2.0 mm orbit diameter for a smooth finish. It features a toolless paper clamp and an ergonomic design with a soft grip handle for reduced vibration and fatigue. While it may be a bit pricey and have a relatively short battery life, it is an excellent choice for woodworkers and DIYers needing a cordless finishing sander for various applications. The Makita 40-volt Max XGT lantern with radio is a versatile cordless tool with a bright LED lantern delivering 310 lumens and a high-luminance LED flashlight with 200 lumens. It features a push-button digital tuner, Bluetooth-registered trademark connection, and a built-in USB port for charging devices. With a durable metal hang hook, it is suitable for job sites and weighs only 3.5 pounds. While it may be a bit pricey and have a relatively short battery life, it is an excellent choice for those needing a portable light and radio. The Makita 40-volt XGT hot water kettle is a cordless and fast-boiling kettle powered by a 40-volt XGT lithium-ion battery. It can boil 27 oz of water in 8 minutes and has an 800 ml water tank. The dual-layer construction keeps the outside cool, and it features safety auto shutoff and LED indicators. Lightweight at 2.2 pounds. It's a convenient choice for quick hot water on the go. The Makita DRC200Z is a cordless robotic vacuum cleaner powered by 18-volt LXT lithium-ion batteries. It features a 3-stage cleaning system, a large-capacity dustbin, 2 navigation modes, a timer function, and remote control. While it's a bit pricey and has a limited battery life, it's a powerful and versatile option for cleaning hard floors and carpets in homes and offices. The Makita WST06 is a compact and lightweight miter saw stand, perfect for job site portability. It features durable aluminum construction, material support extensions, and a toolless adjustable miter saw bracket. While it can be a bit pricey and not compatible with all miter saws, it's an excellent option for those who need a portable and easy-to-use stand for their Makita miter saw. The Makita PDC1200 is a portable power pack powered by two 18-volt LXT lithium-ion batteries, offering a 200 watt-hours capacity. It features a built-in inverter, a 4 LED fuel gauge, and a USB port for charging devices. While it can be a bit pricey and may have a shorter battery life, it is a versatile and lightweight option for powering various tools and devices on the go. The Makita KP001G is a cordless planer powered by a 40-volt max XGT lithium-ion battery, featuring a powerful brushless motor with up to 15,000 revolutions per minute. With a 4 mm maximum cutting depth and 6.5 inches width of cut, it is ideal for woodworking applications. The planer has a dust collection port for easy cleanup and an electric brake for quick blade stopping. Though it may be a bit pricey and have a shorter battery life, its lightweight design makes it convenient for woodworking tasks. The Makita ML009G is a powerful cordless work light powered by a 40-volt max XGT lithium-ion battery, delivering 10,000 lumens with 3-mode operation. It is suitable for various applications and has a battery capacity warning function. Its dust and water-resistant construction ensures durability. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, it is easy to carry around for construction, maintenance, and DIY projects. The Makita CW001G is a portable and versatile cordless cooler and warmer box powered by a 40V Max XGT lithium-ion battery. With a cooling capacity of -18 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius and a warming capacity of 30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, it has a large 20-liter capacity and a built-in LED display for temperature and battery level. The carrying handle and wheels make it easy to transport, making it suitable for job sites, homes, and outdoor activities. The Makita Dust054 is a portable and versatile cordless garden sprayer, powered by an 18V LXT lithium-ion battery. With a 5-liter capacity and variable spray rate, it offers options for mist, stream, and jet spray with its 3-position nozzle. The carrying handle and shoulder strap make it easy to transport, making it suitable for various garden applications like watering, pesticide spraying, and surface cleaning. The Makita is a versatile and powerful cordless heat gun, powered by an 18V LXT lithium-ion battery. With a temperature range of 150 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius and 2-stage airflow control, it can handle various applications like shrinking heat, shrink tubing, removing paint, and bending plastic. The toolless nozzle change system and soft grip handle make it easy to use and reduce fatigue during extended use. The Makita is a powerful cordless grease gun with an 18V LXT lithium-ion battery. It operates at a maximum pressure of 69 megapascals and a flow rate of 290 milliliters per minute, making it suitable for various applications. Its dual-mode operation and built-in LED light add to its versatility and convenience. The Makita Bcf050 is a portable cordless fan with an 18V LXT lithium-ion battery. It offers 2-speed settings and a pivoting head for directing airflow. With compatibility for most hard hats, it's a versatile choice for construction, manufacturing, and outdoor activities. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.